Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today let us learn what and all the different kinds of applications we are using in day-to-day life. Let us see how applications are categorized in software language. Basically there are three kinds of application. One is standalone application, second one is client server application, web application. Guys, let us learn what and all the different kinds of applications we are using in day-to-day life. First, let us focus on standalone application. What is standalone application? If we are not using any kind of internet connectivity to use an application, those kinds of applications are called standalone applications. To use these kinds of application, internet is not required. So these are standalone applications. We can give example for standalone applications like we can say it as calculator, notepad, and calendar, clock, paint. All these applications are called as standalone applications. Let us learn what is client server application. In client server application, we will be having two softwares. Here we will be having two softwares. That is client software and the server software. We can give examples like we will be using Facebook. Facebook applications we will be using. We are familiar with Instagram, Gmail, WhatsApp. All these are examples of client server application. Then let us learn what is web application. Web applications are application application that is been opened through web browser. Whichever the application we are using through web browser are called web browser applications. Like we can give examples for web application as facebook.com, whatsapp.com, gmail.com, youtube.com. These are the examples for your web applications. So I hope you guys understood the basic difference between which are the applications we are using in day-to-day life. So there are three, let us quickly revise. There are three categories of applications. They are standalone applications, which will work without internet, and there is a client server application which requires two kinds of software, which is in that is client software and server software. They are like Facebook, Instagram, Gmail. We are using it in day to, regularly. Web applications are whichever application we are using through web browser, they are called web applications like facebook.com, whatsapp.com. Hope you understood the types of applications. Thank you for watching.